Project Oasis, introducing the coaching cycle. Welcome to Oasis. Oasis advances an effective, scalable strategy to support upper elementary grade teachers and special education teachers to support all learners, especially students with disabilities, to engage in active science learning. The goal for this video is to share an overview of the Oasis Coaching Cycle.
Our coaching model uses an iterative cycle to plan, deliver, and reflect on inquiry-based activities, experiments, and projects, ensuring all students, including those with disabilities, deepen their understanding of science. Strategies and recommendations provided in this video are oriented to the elementary science instruction. The Oasis Coaching Cycle helps guide problem-solving and planning for coaching, whether in groups or as individuals. Oasis uses an adaptive 5-step cycle that starts with setting a goal. Identify and set the learning goal, establish the purpose. Goal setting can start around a specific lesson goal, such as supporting students who understand the flow of electrons in a circuit. Alternatively, set a goal to address a specific barrier or challenge identified by a coach or teacher. When writing a goal, be specific and avoid multiple goals. Instead, focus on one primary barrier or challenge. A specific goal enhances collaboration. A well-identified goal helps in solving the identified barrier effectively. The second step of the Oasis coaching cycle is plan and model. This step of the coaching cycle is where your coaching expertise, along with the strength of the team, create a plan to address the goal you have identified. Discuss and integrate strategies to support student learning and inquiry. Draw on coaching expertise and check out resources and supports on the Oasis website that will support your current goal. Share these with your PLC. The Oasis project has several resources located on our website, or use your science curriculum for ideas and activities to support the identified goal. Perhaps provide a demonstration. Model the plan your team has created as a support for teachers. The team can see your demonstration or model of a teaching strategy, or help them by watching a video. The third step of the Oasis cycle is practice. This involves teachers rehearsing the inquiry science strategies before using them with students. In a team or PLC session, teachers should practice the lesson and role-play applying the strategies. As an example, in a circuitry lesson, this could be the chance for teachers to practice the lab activity with those materials students will be using. This preparation ensures they are well prepared for student instruction. Moving to the fourth step of the Oasis coaching cycle is the reward for all your hard work. Teaching the lesson using the new plan. As a coach, plan with the teacher and determine your role in the classroom, whether co-teaching, dividing up the lesson, supporting preparation, or observing. If unable to be present during instruction, review the teacher's plan to have a meaningful discussion afterward. The final step is reflection. Assess success of the lesson in science. Were there any challenges? Was the plan executed as intended? Identify any barriers or issues for students. Use this reflection to decide if the goal needs revision or if a new goal should be set for the next cycle. Key takeaways. The Oasis Coaching Cycle is a structure to support your work through stages of problem solving and planning for instruction. This coaching cycle is comprised of 5 steps. Set a goal, plan and model, practice, teach, reflect, then start the cycle again. To learn more, visit bit.ly/cast-oasis-project. Cast, until learning has no limits. Ideas that work. U.S. Office of Special Education Programs. The contents of this video were developed under a grant from the U.S. Department of Education, #H327S210014. However, those contents do not necessarily represent the policy of the U.S. Department of Education. You should not assume endorsement by the federal government. Project Officer, Anita Vermeer.